Hey fellow Russian learners, welcome back to the channel for today's 73rd Russian word of the day, words for beginners, whatever you want to call it. Today we are going to learn how to say oven.
Духовой шкаф. Духовой шкаф. Духовой шкаф.
The first thing to notice about this word is that it uses шкаф at the end. If you remember back to Monday of this week, we did learn this word шкаф as cupboard. But in this case, you are talking about a cupboard. Think about how the door of the oven opens and you put something in. That is used to cook something. That's where духовой comes in. So these two words together refer to an oven. I'll give you another chance to practice here at the end of the video. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
Духовой шкаф. Духовой шкаф. Духовой шкаф.